this video, I will show you step by step on how to export multiple PSD file to PDF file, step by step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, each time I post follow the content, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to export multiple PSD file into a single PDF, very high resolution, easy tutorial. Alright, so as you can see from the screen right there, I have about 4 different PSD files that we want to export into a single PDF. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here. We make sure we click on File. Then from File, we have to make sure we look for Automate. Then from Automate, we make sure we look for PDF Presentation. So you have to click on that. Then it's going to take you to this dialog box right here. The first step you need to take at this point here is to make sure you check on Add Open File. So we have about 4 different open file right here. So you can simply delete anyone you don't want. For you to delete any PDF file, just click on Remove here. It will remove the file that you don't want to be added in the PDF presentation. But in this tutorial, I want all these 4 files to be presented in a single PDF file. So having had an open files, next thing we want to do is to work on the settings right here. Save as multi-page document. So leave it in that way. Then the next thing you want to do is to leave the background, the font size, everything, leave it as it is, since everything is your design. So the next thing you want to do here, you have to come to save right here. Then right here you can choose your file destination. I'm going to save this in desktop. Then I will name it multi-page PDF. Okay, then I will click on save. Then take you to this particular dialog box right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Make sure you choose high quality for print if your design is going to be printed design. High quality for print modify is recommended, or better still, you can leave it in high quality print if you don't want anybody to modify the document. So I'm going to put it in high quality for print and modify. Next thing I'm going to do is to come down below here and make sure I click on Save PDF. So the file has been successfully saved into PDF. So what I'm going to do next is to minimize my Photoshop. Then I have to head over to the file right here, multi-page. So let's open it. So here we are. So this is the PDF file right here. So you can see we have about 4 pages right here. So if I click on this arrow here, it slides to the next page. If I continue like that, it slides to the very last page. So this is how to save and export your multiple PSD file into a single PDF, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.